As we head up to Panther Rock and the failed radar base, on our way back we broke 2 ball joints. Watch how we take care of that in the wilderness with no jack.
We see others making mistakes. We think we can do no wrong. They have told me what to wear, and they have told me what to say. I don't feel that some have got in their heart or in their soul. They just have their own religion. They just want you to obey. But who are we to call? 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 Let's get God on our mind. Not worry so much for tradition. What is yours may not be mine. I must find it for myself. But who are we to call? Who are we to call? can see with my eyes, but I turn and look the other way. I can feel with my hands, but I always keep them close. I can pull with my arms, but they're always by my side. Oh, what a good